Waar is hij? Hoi, voel het.
Hey. But I hit the gong. I'm gonna. Hey. I'm gonna go another one, then I'm gonna hit the gong again.
Are you shooting on a large gong?
Ja.
Okay.
Should I hit a squid from here?
Wow.
2, 4, 5, 6, last round.
Brian,
Yes.
just give me the history of this rifle again. When you bought it and what caliber it is.
Alright, it's a 303 Mark IV, which we then replaced with a Musgrave barrel and put on a bigger Tascos plains rifle. So the thing is, it's the only thing you could do with the 303 was to bring it down, nick it down to a 6mm because of pressure on the action.
Okay.
So now
fire
it's a
another
1
one.
MIA.
Sorry?
It's a 1 MIA weapon now this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a 6mm Musgrave.
Musgrave, correct. Yes.
Okay. And when did you buy this rifle?
About 30 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, about 30 years ago I built it up.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Thanks.
pleasure.
This trigger is as smooth as butter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot another one.
Yeah. This trigger is fantastic.
Standard, eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Is it
shoot another
standard?
one.
Wow.
Just keep it there.
Have
One more?
you had any work done on this trigger?
Yes. Yeah, it's polished.
Oh, is it polished?
Aye, aye.
But it was done by a gunsmith.
Yes,
No,
sir.
did you do it
Yes.
yourself?
No, it was polished by a gunsmith.
Okay. Yes, it breaks like cream.
Right? So
Thanks.